This is the FlexiSpot E7 Plus, and it is a four-legged standing desk that retails for around $600. It is one of the cheapest four-legged standing desks that is actually stable and a very versatile desk in my opinion. In fact, today I'm going to be putting it through the test of how stable it is because I'm actually going to be using this as a workstation slash makerspace in my garage. And this, I think, is a game changer. So stick around and let's dive in to the E7 Plus from FlexiSpot. Now, how do I get down from here? Oh yeah. FlexiSpot E7 Plus lets you build your dream workbench your way. You can buy just the frame if you're a DIY person and want to create your own desktop, or just use one that you already have. This is perfect if you have a specific size or material in mind for your workspace. The E7 Plus frame features a sturdy four-leg design for maximum stability, unlike some models with T-legs or C-legs. But most folks are probably going to want the desktop too, and FlexiSpot has a very wide range of choices to suit your needs and budget, from classic chipboard to sleek bamboo. You can also choose solid wood texture, solid wood, or even a brand new option, a bamboo top with a built-in wireless charger. Check out the FlexiSpot website for full range and pricing. While the E7 Plus doesn't come with a fancy cable management system, it does include adhesive cable clips to keep things tidy. Do check out the optional mesh cable management accessory though, that's only about $50, which can be a great way to organize your workspace under the desk. This handy mesh bag hangs from two brackets installed under the desk, and the best part, you can access your cable from anywhere along the bag's length. The E7 Plus arrived in a box, but don't worry, it's not like putting together a spaceship. Not that I've ever put a spaceship together before. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and the screws bit right into the desktop material. The assembly process for the E7 Plus is a bit of a process, but even if you're not a pro at assembling, I did find it to be very straightforward. It took me about 45 minutes to assemble the entire desk, including the top, but it could take you between 1 and 2 hours depending on how quickly you move through instructions. The surface did not come with pre-drilled holes, so a drill was required to attach the frame to the desktop surface. The FlexiSpot E7 Plus comes standard with a 4-button programmable switch. The switch features a USB port for easy access to additional charging. The desk also features a collision avoidance function and boasts a massive 540-pound capacity, but the actual lifting capacity is about 440 pounds. And yes, I did have to test the collision avoidance system. This E7 Plus has a great safety feature, and that is that it will sense an object underneath it and will stop and go back up if it senses too much pressure. For science! Okay, it worked. Phew. Now let's talk about the cool stuff that makes this desk what it is. I will be using my setup as a workbench as seen in the video here, and I went with the 55 by 28 inch rubber wood solid wood desktop, the premier keypad, and 4 standing desk casters in my configuration. The E7 Plus also has some impressive features. The height adjustment itself is between 26 inches and 51.6 inches. With the E7 Plus, you can electronically adjust the height of your workbench from as low as 26 inches all the way up to 51.6 inches, which is plenty of tall for what I'm going to use it for. The impressive range lets you switch between sitting for detail work and standing for tasks that require more reach, all with a simple button press. And yes, there are memory buttons, and it was super easy to program these buttons. I also like how they have a sit icon and a stand icon. Now, this is just the 3 and the 4th memory position, but I like how they changed the icon because this makes quick, easy access to a sit position and a stand position. The other thing that I was kind of concerned about with this height range was stability. This desk does have 4 very strong legs that provides reliable stability, even at its highest setting of 51.6 inches. This allows me to really focus in on my projects. Even though I'm 6'7", I can put this desk all the way up and stand comfortably at it, and even raise it higher to bring the details in closer when I'm working on some kind of a build project. I think this really is going to be the perfect workstation for me, whether I'm using it for a desktop purpose or I'm using it as a makerspace. workspace. The E7 Plus is built to be a workhorse. With a staggering weight capacity of 540 pounds, this means you can load it up with heavy tools, materials, and even unfinished projects without worry. Yes, I was banging a hammer on it and it barely moved. This is why I chose the E7 Plus for my garage workspace / desk area in my garage because of its impressive feature set and specifications. Here's a rundown of those key features. Dual motors for smooth and quiet height adjustment, ensuring a comfortable and interruption-free work experience. Adjustable height range from 26 to 51.6 inches, which provided plenty of range for economic positions like sitting or standing. The desk compatibility, designed to fit desktop ranges from 47.2 inches to as long as 80 inches in length, made it the perfect base for my use case. And I kind of regret not going with a longer bench because I was a little afraid of its stability, but this thing is rock solid at the length that I got it at. Maybe I need to go with an 80-inch desktop. And the cool thing is I can always switch out to a different desktop length if I want to and just use the base frame. Going back to the actual assembly process, I went through it pretty methodically, and there was only a couple places where I had to backtrack just a little bit because there were certain directions you need to assemble this in. So just take your time and look at the illustrations. The instructions were really well laid out, and when I followed them correctly, everything went together perfectly. I love the fit and finish of the E7 Plus. It really came together easily. But let's talk about my overall user experience here. These specifications don't just make the desk good, but provide an experience that is offered by the most expensive desk in the market that I've tested out. So whether you're reading the Shopsmith Bible for devotions in the morning or editing a photo in Lightroom, the E7 Plus is all about making your home office or garage workspace as comfortable and as efficient as possible. Here's how. The first thing you notice if you have used a similar electric desk is how quiet the E7 Plus is. No need to yell over a noisy motor while working. The E7 Plus adjusts its height smoothly and quietly, so you can focus on more important sounds than the whine of the desk going up and down. The control panel with handy buttons lets you raise and lower the desk with a simple touch. Plus, you can program your favorite heights for easy switching between tasks. I also love the USB charging port. If you intend on using it as a maker desk, there are various ways to use this desk. I personally enjoy using it as an unboxing station where I set the desk to a comfortable height for unboxing the latest tech gear like these Govee outdoor floodlights, and I can do so without straining my back. It is also a potentially good piece of furniture for an assembly headquarter. The E7 Plus provides a sturdy and adjustable platform for all your assembly needs. The E7 Plus is also compatible with casters, as I previously hinted that I am using mine with the casters directly from FlexiSpot. Now, I don't know if these are going to be the best casters for the garage long term, but I can always switch them out for more heavy duty ones down the road. Just think about being able to easily roll your workbench around your garage or your desk around your office and bring things closer to where you want them to be, whether it's tools, materials, you name it. This is just how I plan to use this E7 Plus in my environment. I also like how quickly it moves from one height to the next. Its height adjustment speed for the E7 Plus is listed at 1 inch per second. My experience so far has been that the E7 Plus is a very stable desk at lower and mid-range heights. Now, on the very top side, it does start to show a little sign of wobble and rocking, but really nothing to complain about. And we're talking at the very top couple of inches of the E7 Plus. This is also probably due to it being on casters instead of the included feet. This is actually the most stable sit-down desk I've tested through this height. So what's the overall verdict here? Well, in my opinion, the E7 Plus is a great choice for your home, office, garage, and other work settings based on its features and ease of use. Plus that price point. I've paid 3 times as much for sit-down desks that have these similar features in them. And yes, while the price of $600 to some might be a factor to consider, the FlexiSpot E7 Plus, with its adjustability, stability, and user-friendly features, seems like the strongest competitor. It is a solid option for those on a budget and is the least expensive 4-legged desk that is actually stable. So if you're looking for a desk to change your workspace and make your projects easier and more enjoyable, the FlexiSpot E7 Plus 4-legged sit-stand desk is worth checking out. Another thing that's worth checking out is that subscribe button and the like button. If you got value out of this video, I would really appreciate you smashing those because it costs you absolutely nothing and means the world to me. But I'm curious, what is your current desk setup like? Do you have a sit-stand desk? Let me know what model in the comments below.